Broke down? Learn how to quickly locate verified 24/7 truck repair shops near your location using 4RoadService, the largest commercial truck repair directory in North America. Every driver faces it eventually. You're miles from home, the engine sputters, and you're stuck on the shoulder. Time is money, and you need help now. Introducing 4RoadService, a free, comprehensive directory connecting you with verified repair shops, mobile mechanics, and towing across the US and Canada. It's simple. Open the mobile app and let GPS find your location. Instantly see verified 24/7 availability for mobile repair, towing, and tires. Or use the website. Filter by service type, like brake repair, electrical diagnostics, or heavy-duty towing. You get direct phone numbers and customer reviews. Whether you're a long-haul driver, owner-operator, or fleet manager, 4RoadService is built for anyone operating commercial vehicles. And it's 100% free for drivers. No subscription fees, no hidden costs. Download the app today on the App Store or Google Play, or visit 4roadservice.com.